we are decluttering at my parents' house again.
Yes.
So I'm here with my mom and we're gonna start going through some stuff.
Yep, it never ends. It never ends. I just dig out more and more comes out of the boxes.
We're gonna get started.
Yes, okay, good.
We're starting with the chair.
I've decided that it's time to remove this chair and its twin that's upstairs from the house. We've had them for 30 years and it's just kind of doesn't go with everything anymore, and we paid a lot of money for it, so I've been hanging on to it, feeling guilty to get rid of it, but I think today's the time it's gonna go.
And you also mentioned you don't use it. No one sits here.
We do it at Christmas. We sit here at Christmas and we open our presents. So once a year we use this chair. We just have to walk it that way.
Keep going around.
This is the way I normally take care of it. Watch, here we go. Watch out. I go like this.
Oh goodness.
And then it's easier to rotate there. I'm gonna put something in that spot. It has blankets in it.
And you already have this.
I already have this. It's been sitting.
So this is something you needed a place for it, and now you have it here. That's good.
It was crowded over there under the stairs. Now it has a spot.
Good.
So going through this room, I've decided that I have that chair, the one that catches everything, and I tend to just throw things up here. And I really want to get rid of the chair. This way I can straighten out the dresser, make it even, just have less stuff here. I can vacuum through there. It's in the way. So this chair is going along with its twin downstairs.
It's kind of funny she finally decided to get rid of this too, because I just did a video talking about how the chair can be a catch-all for all sorts of things.
We'll have to roll it. Okay, don't mind my booty. I'll push it backwards.
It fits out this door, does it or no?
Does it?
Oh shoot, are you gonna rip the wall? Wait, stop.
Am I gonna rip the wall or rip the chair? Like this. It's not spring-loaded, so it won't open. But
okay.
So
next we're gonna roll it down the stairs.
We just push it down the stairs and let it go.
Part of what we're doing today is Swedish Death Cleaning. My mom and I have both listened to that book on audio recently, and we are implementing a lot of those ideas of just not wanting to pass everything down to the next generation. The great thing about listening to an audiobook is you can do this when you are driving in your car. You can listen while doing the dishes. Audiobooks are amazing, and it's a great way to learn when you're on the go or when you don't have a lot of time. Audible is the leading provider of spoken word entertainment, all in one place. At Audible, you can find the largest selection of audiobooks ranging from bestsellers to new releases. New members get to try Audible for 30 days on them. Visit audible.com/Shannon Torrens, and I will have all the information linked down below. And with the Audible membership, you can download titles and listen anytime, anywhere, which is super convenient and also goes along with minimalism, because that way you don't have a bunch of books cluttering up your home.
I feel like I've gotten rid of half of my stuff in this house, even though it's not. I still have piles put away.
You probably have,
but we've gotten rid of a lot
30%.
of things. Yeah, a lot of things that were a big burden to me are no longer a burden because they're gone. I don't even think about them. They're just gone.
So if you'd like to read The Gentle Art of Swedish Death Cleaning or all of the other amazing minimalist and decluttering books that I found on there, make sure you check the link down below and visit audible.com/Shannon Torrens or text Shannon Torrens to 500-500. Here's the room all put back together. We moved the dresser over, and she was able to put her little 1950s trash can here.
Yay. All right, this chair is going along with the other one. We found a good place for it to go live, so we're excited about that. Now I can vacuum in this room without having to move this chair out of the way. It wouldn't fit before past it, so I'm real excited about that, and it's just more simple looking, way cleaner and organized.
Kind of looks good right here though.
I like it right here. Where am I going to put my stuff? We started about 2 or 3 years ago with me cleaning out my closet and decluttering. So now I've got it down. I wouldn't say it's a capsule wardrobe because I have more than that, but I have my summer stuff here, fall and winter, and then I've got it down to just a few pairs of pants. I do have some shorts in my drawer, and shoes. I got rid of tons of shoes. So nothing's up here. These are bags, like that's way more empty than it used to be. We got rid of a lot of purses. So everything's functional right here. Simple. Never thought I'd see the day. Much happier, and it's just way easier. So my husband also did decluttering. He had so many shirts, and this looks like a lot, but now he's lost weight, so I'm going to go through and take out probably half of these. He's gone from a large to a medium, so these, and he only wants a couple of them now. He doesn't want to have this many choices. So we're going to take this out and clear that out, but really, it's amazing. We've continued to stay lean on clothes. We haven't refilled it. You know, you can look back and see the pictures from before. Pull the larges out. Okay, let's see. That's a spooner. I don't know. I'll leave that one here. I found an antique store that sells, or it's kind of an antique Hawaiian store, so I'm going to give these to the guy. Let him have them and sell them. Yay! Did it. Even though this has been decluttered, I hung on to some of my grandmother's brooches and things, thinking I would wear them. Now that I'm older, I still don't wear brooches. Okay, so I have...
And this is part of the Swedish Death Cleaning.
Swedish Death Cleaning.
Because it's been handed down to you. You don't want to hand it down.
Because I say this would look really pretty on Shannon's dress. Would you like to have this one? No, take it, take it.
I don't think so, because I would never wear, I just don't go anywhere.
I know. I know. I keep thinking there will be a time, you know, you wake up one day, you go, oh, I'm going to wear brooches now.
I feel like my 4-year-old would like this.
Yeah. Anyways, we have so many of these, so I just want to take them out and I guess just, I don't know, try to put them in a pile and sell them on eBay.
Maybe.
Yeah.
Because I think people like this vintage.
That's a belt buckle.
I know.
Yeah.
But like on a wedding dress, people wear that stuff.
Yeah, they do. They put that on there.
And the fact that it's vintage, people might be interested.
So this tray, you know, it has the clip-on earrings and it has the brooches that match. And again, we just saw this in an antique store. I said, I have that same exact one.
What is this? Do you ever wear this?
I don't. Now this is a nice watch. Someday when I'm older, I'll wear it. So anyways, I have all these.
Older? How old are we getting to start wearing this?
Then I can, seriously, people must have had really thin necks back in the 50s.
I've never seen her wear any of this stuff. I'm just going to put that out there.
Look, Cinderella.
Not only is she trying to do the Swedish Death Cleaning, but she's also trying to avoid what we're calling the trickle-down effect. And I'm sure this is already out there among the decluttering community, but you inherit something from, say, your great-grandma, and then you don't know what to do with it, you never use it, and then you save it, and then you give it to me, I end up saving it. We're trying to avoid that.
This is trickle down right now, and this is future trickle down. This is stuff I've accumulated on my own.
That I don't want.
That you don't, it goes with that dress. Look at that.
I know, but I personally, as just my personality, I don't wear this kind of stuff.
I don't, I
or
love,
any jewelry.
Yeah, I know. Ow, I'm the same way.
So people sometimes talk about is your fantasy self, which is you think you see this stuff and you think it's cute or pretty and you say, I'm gonna be a hippie, and then you never wear it. I guess get rid of it now while you have the time to go through it and decide what you want, what means something to you.
If not, you'll be getting rid of it later.
Oh my gosh.
It doesn't fit over my head. These things weigh on my mind. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun with all this. What's that? Oh, buttons. You never know. Yeah, you have to, when you lose a button, you save the button.
Exciting thing is we are probably going to be able to get rid of this container. Now that we've had everything out, we're sorting through it. We've filled this back with everything she's gonna sell. This right here is all going to be donated to the thrift store. This is what the shelf looks like now. She's still going to go through all the stuff she wants to keep and reorganize it, but look at the difference.
That's when you were 7, no, 6.
Look at that hair.
Probably a lot of first. Yeah, there we go.
There we go. This was hand crafted, and I think I would just keep the hand crafted part and get rid of the big frame.
Just save it.
We made so much progress. I came here thinking we weren't even going to declutter that much.
Yeah.
And we ended up going through so much and getting rid of all that jewelry that
yes. It's been on my mind, and I look at it and I just shut it back up and I look at it and What am I going to do with it? For years. I've had it for, how old are you, 37? So
yeah, a long time.
37 years, most of it.
I feel like that can show you how much progress you can make in a short time.
Yes.
Just one afternoon.
Yeah.
I also will link below the video that I've done before on Swedish Death Cleaning. And thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Thank you to Audible for sponsoring this video, and check the description box below for more information.